G'day guys, down at the River Street boat ramp again. This is Fishing with Trev. I am Trevor on the Pioneer River. It's as windy as hell today, so I'm going to see if I can duck into where I went last week. Got some nice fish there, see what we can get today, eh? G'day guys, set up about where I was last week. It's out of the wind. It's as windy as hell out there at the moment. Got a few really nice herring at the boat ramp. Hey, let's get these suckers on here, see what we can get today, eh? Keep watching. Like I said guys, got some good herring at the boat ramp. I'll be getting a few more here as I run out. Same thing. Oh, where is he? Up through the nose. Up under the beak, up through the nostril there. Get him out there. Whoop! Seagull nearly got it. And I seem to be honest this time. I've missed half a dozen. What have we got here? They've been biting, but they've been just taking the fish and nothing else. Seagull seen him. Been a lot of seaweed around. It's a bigger tide than it was the other day. We've got about 3 metres of water movement. The other day we had about 1.5 metres. Oh, queenfish by the look of it again. Yep, that's a queenfish. Just as the water gets down to the rocks on that pylon there, the beacon, they seem to come out. Yeah. Like a soft rod, it works with the fish as they go. And in the boat. Awesome. Oh, come here. Awesome. One queenfish. He'd be just going on legal size, I take it. Have a go. Yeah, 570. Yeah, 500 is legal. He's, yeah, 570. Hey, we'll let him go. You watch him go. Off like a rocket. Bloody awesome. And once again, guys, down with the sabiki rig. Pulling the bait in from one side. Putting on the hook, catching the queenies in the same spot. Can't get better than that. Hoping for a couple of barra or brim, GTs. Oh, and I'm on there. Oh, yep, he's on. Good one. There's a good spot just as the rocks are starting to show up there, and the rocks are coming out that side. Not far from the boat ramp, about 20 metres. What do we got this time? Got it anchored front and back just to hold it because there's a lot of wind pushing me around. Giant trevally. And yes guys, this is a different one. Had someone say I've got to put a big X on it because they all look the same. One hook out, one grunting giant trevally. They're a bloody good fight. He's running around 400. Hey, off he goes. Oh, and I seem to be on again. Well, oh, and he's putting up a bit of a struggle. There he is. One queenfish. One thing about the queenfish, they do give a really good fight. That's what I'm here for. Come on, a bit of acrobatics doesn't hurt anybody. There's always a chance you'll throw the hook. Come on. That's what you tell them. There he is. Come here. Geez, they're pulling today. And another one in the boat. Awesome. Oh, stop it, stop it. Only just got him in the corner of the mouth. Oh, come on. You were loose just a second ago. There he is. And he's running that. Slightly bigger, this one. 600. $600 long queenfish. Bloody beautiful. And that's the part I like, watching them go. Bloody awesome. Just put it in again. Loving me herring bait, live bait, you can't beat it. Match the hatch, hey. Barracuda, a little barracuda. Something different. Not putting my fingers near that one. They've got big teeth. There you go, guys, something different. Little barracuda, bloody big teeth on him. And off he goes. Oh, good. And on again, only just throwing it back in after I've got the barracuda. And it's on again. Missed him. Bugger. And seems to be on again. Been kept busy catching bait. They've been eating the bait as fast as I'm catching the bloody stuff. Every now and then one takes a hook. Ooh. Getting close to the bank, gonna have to pull the lines in again. Where's he going? Oh, in the shallows. What do we got here? GT by the look of it. Another giant trevally. Oh, come here. Whoa, they put up a tussle for the size of them. And he's in the boat. Bloody awesome. Open up. Thank you. We'll get this out. There you go. Whoa! Stop that. He's a solid bloody fish, this one. Look at that. That's a solid bloody fish, that one. He's running 540. No, 440, sorry. Yep. Hey, awesome. Off you go, little fella. Oh, fixing up the other line there, and this one's gone off. Oh, got to get them out of the rocks. I've lost a few into the rocks. They've snagged them. Queenfish here by the look of it. Oh, yep, that's a queenfish. Come here, fella. And he's in the boat. Just a small one. Whoop, throwing the hook. Oh, come here. Small queenfish. Off he goes. Hey guys, that time of the day again, time to rock and roll out of here. Been a heap of herring around. Caught a few nice fish, a couple of nice trevally. Hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have. You have a good one, eh? See you next time. If you like what you see, please subscribe, click the bell for notifications and share if you like. You have a good day.